Hey loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Ryan. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed my very first 613 wig. So as you guys can see in the bold print, the hair I'm going to be using is GRACELANDHAIR _. Please go shop. This is the best 613 hair I've ever had.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in.
So as you guys can see right here, I'm just blow drying the glue. I actually used the Got To Be glue. I didn't use the blow hole glue as I usually do. So yeah, keep watching.
Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in.
OMG, please do not mind my nails, guys. We are in quarantine right now, so bear with me, please.
The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up.
So right here, I'm taking off my scarf, my wrapper, whatever. I had let my hair sit about 10 minutes before I took the scarf off. And I'm just showing you guys how it looks for right now, but I'm not done just yet.
Request my chariot, get ya.
I know y'all saying, ooh, look at that melt. Yes, ma'am. That's what I do.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that.
Well, guys, this is the finished look. I just got done straightening my hair. This is just perfect. Like, shop GRACELANDHAIR now. Like, please. I'm gonna put all the links in description below. Thanks guys for watching. Love you.
Open up, open up, open.